Hello, welcome back. Today I'm in Canberra and I'm going to take you to all the places that you can see in Canberra if you're here just for one day. So Canberra is the capital city of Australia, and people sometimes get confused and think Sydney is the capital city, but that's not true. If you are on a holiday in Australia and you want to come to Canberra from Sydney, you can get a direct train. And the journey is about 3 hours. Now this place here is called Menzies Walk, and this is named after one of the Australian Prime Minister, Robert Gordon Menzies. And you'll be surprised to know that this lake here in front of me is artificial lake. Now if you like, you can take a trip around this area, around the lake, just explore it, as there are a lot of museums and art gallery that might interest you. And this area is just opposite of where I was before. This video is from the month of July, so if you visit Canberra during winter, just make sure you carry a lot of clothes because Canberra gets very cold, unlike Sydney. And I was just about to leave from here, but then I heard a music and I started following it. And found this man playing bagpiper next to the river. It was so good. I'm now heading towards city. Right here, this building is old Parliament House. But in Australia now we have a new Parliament House as well. And this is Canberra city. First thing I do is grab myself a cup of coffee because Australia is very famous for its coffee. So do remember to explore all the cafes around here. Best way to explore Canberra city would be to get one of these. These are electric bike which you can hire online and just try to explore the city with this. I was a little scared at the beginning, but just with few minutes of trial, I got used to it and I loved it. It's very easy to find them and book them. All you have to do is just locate a nearby bike which is parked across your street and scan the code. The code will open the app for you, and through that app you can put your details and just book it. Once you are ready to drop the bike, you can just take a picture of your bike like this and then leave the comment. The payment depends on how many kilometers did you use the bike for. And now it's a time to head towards the Parliament. I've never seen any Parliament in my life, so I'm very excited to see it myself. And I must admit, the Australian Parliament is beautiful. I was surprised because throughout the Parliament, the cameras were allowed and there were people standing in the corners, so if you have any question, you can ask them. It was a great trip inside, but now I'm heading out so I can go and join Christmas in July event which is happening here in Canberra. You might wonder, what is Christmas in July? And the answer is, since Australian weather is so opposite to the rest of the world, our winters comes in July. and therefore we celebrate Christmas in July. Not only in Canberra, such events happen everywhere in Australia during the month of July. There were plenty of things to do, things to buy, things to eat, and a lot of entertainment. And then I went back to city to explore city a little bit more, do some shopping, and explore the nightlife. After doing exploring for the whole day, I was so tired and hungry. So we went to this restaurant called Solita. This is an Italian restaurant that serves amazing pasta and pizza. So if you're here, you might want to come here. And we also had the best dessert wine ever. And then we went to Canberra Theatre Centre where there was ice skating organized for today. Sadly, my day has come to an end, and I hope you like my video. If you do like such content, then please subscribe to my channel so you can get to see more of Australia with me. Also, if you're planning your travel and you have any questions, you can post it on my comment section and I'll make sure that I reply to them. And with that note, I'm now signing off and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.